gorgeous. Now, this hair is from RPGSHOW, and you guys already know that I love sharing with you the entire unboxing experience, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So first off, we get this wig drawstring bag, and in this box we also have a flywig tamer, we have this elastic melting band, as well as HD cap and a thank you card. Now, something I've never seen before is this magazine right now. Now, this is for maintenance, for styling, and it just shows off the different styles of hair, how to maintain it, how to take care of it, and also this wig bag for storing the wig. Everything screams luxury. Now, this is the star of the show. This is our baby girl. This is our new treasure, because this highlights blonde wig is everything and more. Now, this is the wig construction of this hair, and this is what we have now. We have two combs at the sides of the wig and one at the back for that extra added security. We also have this elastic band also for security. You can adjust it to the level of comfort that you want. Now, this is what the lace looks like. The frontal is amazing. I did not customize it. I'm going to show you guys that, but I wanted to show you how it matches my skin. It does come pre-bleached as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead to just pop this on my hair. I'm going to just make sure that it is secure and tight as well. And I'm just going to put this on to my head, right? I'm going to show you what I do at the back for that extra security. I like to tuck in that comb just underneath my hair and make sure it's secure, and then whip it all back. I whip my hair back and forth and this is what we are looking like. This is the wig straight out of the box, and we're gonna just work with it. We're gonna customize it as we go, but I just wanted you guys to see. I am feeling the hair. I'm loving it. There's something about this highlighted wig look that just looks beautiful on dark skin. The blend, the blonde, the definition, the highlight is everything, and I love it. Now, this is what the frontal looks like, just taking it back so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead to cut off the excess lace so that way we can customize it and we can start laying it down. Now, this is going to be a 100% glueless method, because again, this wig is so snug and comfortable on my head. So I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace, and I'm using like this really tiny scissors to kind of get it and to be more detailed with like the cutting aspect, right? So you want to take your time while doing this, and you want to cut this in like a zigzag snip motion just so it is not straight, and also we don't want to cut off this lace. We want to just cut off the excess lace, and yeah, this is what it is looking like right now out of the box. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do right now is to just adjust this to the comfort of my head. I'm going to be using this flywig wig tamer to also help tame all the flywig and also to help customize this wig. Now, this flywig tamer came with the box, as you guys had seen earlier on, so you pretty much have all that you need to get your wig going. I'm going to be using my hot comb to melt and press down this hair, because we want it to look like it is ours. We want it to look flawless. We want to give this hair the glory that it deserves, right? So I'm just going to be, pressing it down and making sure that it is flat and that it lays on my head, right? So that's what we're doing right now. Now, like I said, this is a glueless wig. You can wear it without gluing it down, and that's what I'm going to be doing. However, I'm going to be going in with this mousse right here. I'm just going to be applying this onto the frontal part, just so we can sleek that hair in front down and also help with like melting it down as well. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is the only product that I used in like melting down my hair. But yeah, you can definitely go ahead to use your lace glue. You can go ahead to use your spray, whatever it is you use in like melting and holding down your wig if you want. However, I didn't feel like I wanted to do that because, again, like I said, this is a glueless wig. Yeah, I'm just going ahead to just brush everything all back, so that we can help define the hair, right? We want it to look natural. Now this is it, guys. That's the only part that you guys might probably seeing hanging out, but it's totally fine because again, this is a center part wig. You're not going to be seeing all of that. You can go ahead to cut it off if you don't like it, but yeah, I just left that on there just so I can, you know, use later on if I want to ever lay it down, right? So yeah, I'm using this elastic band to melt down the hair. You can use this elastic band to melt down the hair if you're using a glue, if you're using a melting spray, or if you're just using this method that I'm using right now. But yeah, I did this method in my last video and I actually loved it, so I figured why not do it in this video. So we're going ahead to curl or recurl this wig because we need to give it a lot of life, because this hair is too gorgeous to not be gorgeous. So I'm just flattening down that part right here because I feel like it's a little bit bumpy, lumpy. Yeah, so I want it to look smooth and, you know, fresh and cool. Yeah, so I'm curling this hair in a direction that I want, and I didn't want a tight curl, right? I wanted that bouncy, wavy, you know, effortless, I just woke up like this kind of curl, and that's what we're trying to get right now, even though it's looking really curly. But yeah, I'm just going to be curling this away from my face so that we can like get it looking luscious, right? So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll let you guys just watch through it. Now, this step is totally optional, but I felt like I wanted to customize this a little bit further. So I'm going in with my concealer shade that I use in highlighting my face, and I'm using that on that part right now to further define it and to conceal it as well. I wanted to spray this holding spray on that part so that way it holds the concealer and it doesn't move, but I ended up spraying the entire part of the hair, but we're just gonna ignore that. But yeah, this is what it's looking now that it's melted. I'm just going to brush it out because I don't want it to look too sleek, and just to show you guys that this is actually like glueless. Yeah, so I'm just going to comb all of that melted frontal part away. I'm using this my hair serum, just about 1 pump was more than enough. I'm just going to be using this to finger comb out the curls, right? Like I said, I didn't want a very defined curl. I wanted it to look effortless, to look beach wavy, to look like I just woke up like that and fabulous, right? So yeah, this is the final look. And again, with this wig, you can go ahead to straighten it out to get like a bone straight look, and this is basically what it looks like. Sort of bone straight. I'm just showing you guys that it is versatile. You can curl it however you want, you can straighten it however you want, and I think I prefer it straight. What do you guys think down in the comment section? Do you like it straight or curly? You can go ahead to use your straightener to get like a wavy, beach wavy curl like I'm doing right now, to get like this effortless belly there look. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave all the links to this hair down in the description box so you guys can check them out as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you RPGSHOW for sending this gorgeous hair. Absolutely love it. And yeah, if you are a woman of color, if you just like highlight wig, this is definitely one to try. The quality is amazing, the highlights are amazing, the texture, the feel, and the fit is also amazing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous, stay blessed, and enjoy this gorgeousness. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodles. Bye. That's all I really need.